Good morning, all of you. As we had discussed the topic of instruments of primary market, the topic for today is players of primary market. Let us understand the players of primary market. The players of primary market are merchant bankers, registrars, collecting and coordinating bankers, underwriters, transfer agents, debenture trustees, portfolio management, printers, advertising agencies, and mailing agencies. So, here, merchant bankers. Merchant bankers are those who render a wide range of services such as corporate counseling, loan syndication, issue management, underwriting of public issue, advisory services, portfolio management, etc. Here, merchant banker is not like a common banker where a banker provides loans, borrowings, safety deposits, etc. Instead, merchant banker is a person who provides wide range of services for the corporates such as corporate counseling, loan syndication combining of 2 3 banks to provide the loan to the company, issue management related to the issuing of shares and debentures, underwriting of public when the companies are not able to sell, the merchant bankers makes the arrangement for purchase of shares, advisory services, portfolio management, etc. Coming to the next point, registrars. They are intermediaries who undertake all activities connected with the new issue management, such as collecting application, keeping records of application, and the money received in relation to the shares. So registrar keeps a register of all the documents, all the investors whomsoever have invested on the in the issue of shares. So usually what happens is when the all the people have invested in the share, all the people will not be able to get the shares. So only the certain person who will be given with the shares. So that is what when the allotment of shares is done. So as a registrar, he keeps records of all the investors who have subscribed or invested in the company. That is what the registrar are. Next is collecting and coordinating banker. As I have been frequently telling, the collecting and coordinating bankers are those who collect the subscription cash, check, etc., and they coordinate the collection. Usually, when the companies call for shares, company will not be coming directly to the people and asking for money or opening their offices to collect the money from the investors. Instead, what do they do is they appoint a bank who works on the basis of commission or they work on the percentage basis. What do they do is they collect the money from the investors and that money is being transferred to the company. Similarly, how you pay the fees in a bank, that fees is being gone to the university. Similarly, the collecting and coordinating bankers do. Next is underwriters. Underwriters are those who guarantee to buy and sale of shares or debentures in the event of non-subscription of securities. Usually, when the new companies call for shares to invest in new companies, so when the subscription is not being done or when the shares are not being purchased by many of the investors in the primary market, what underwriter does is underwriter can be a reputed company like ICICI can be a underwriter. So underwriters are those who guarantee to buy and sell for securities of shares in the event of non-subscription. As I was talking about ICICI, ICICI is a reputed company where there is a XYZ company where they are unable to sell the shares. So at that particular time, what happens is this shares are being purchased by ICICI, as ICICI is a reputed company. When ICICI tries to sell the shares, people are interested to buy the shares of ICICI. So underwriter is a person who guarantees to buy and sell the shares or debentures in the non-event of subscription of the new company which is unable to sell its shares. Then comes the transfer agents. These are those who maintain the record of holders of security on behalf of the company and ideal with all the activities connected with the transfer. So whenever the shares are being purchased by the purchaser, so when he doesn't wants to have those shares, he wants to get it transferred to somebody else. At that particular time, these transfer agents help the shareholder to transfer their share to other people to whom the shares are being sold. Next comes the debenture trustees. They are those who act as trustees for securing an issue of debenture under a trust deed executed by a company for the benefit of debenture holder. So a debenture holder trustees refers to the debenture holder trustees are the are securing and issuing the debentures under the trust deed. They and the company benefit of the debenture holder. They work for the debenture holder, whomsoever the debenture holder is a person who has been providing a loan to the company, and those loan are being taken care by the debenture trustees. Next comes the portfolio management. These are those who advise the management to invest in different kinds of securities available in the market, which reduces the risk. Portfolio refers to investment done in various or different securities or different market securities. Why investment in done in different securities? Because when you invest money in different types of securities, that avoids a risk. Just take an example. You have got 1 lakh rupees, you have invested whole 1 lakh rupees on share or share market. The share market crashes. At that particular time, what happens? You will lose whole of your money what you have invested in the share market. Instead, if you are making two halves, like 50,000 you are investing in share market and 50,000 you are investing in commodity market or gold market, at that particular time what happens is, when you lose money in share market, at least you gain money in the gold market or the commodity market. That is what the portfolio management is. Portfolio management is also a service which is being provided by the primary market. The last is printers, advertising agencies and mailing agencies. They play a significant role in primary market by undertaking works related to printing, advertising and mailing, by which day-to-day operations in the primary market which functions. So here printers are those who compile the data of the market information and give the printouts of the required information to the customer, and they are also playing a role of advertising and sales, and they also mail across the information whichever it is needed to the customer. That is what the players of primary markets are. This is usually been asked for 10 marks. Fine then, thanks a lot.